Hello students, welcome to AI and Machine Learning course. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It's like teaching computers and machines how to think and solve problems, almost like a human. Imagine you have a robot dog. If you show it how to fetch a ball a few times, it learns how to do it without you telling it every time. So that's AI. Now let's see the history of AI. 1950 is the beginning. Scientists started asking, can machines think? Alan Turing, a famous scientist, created a test called the Turing test to check if a computer could think like a human. 1956, birth of AI. A meeting at Dartmouth College in the USA started the official field of artificial intelligence. They tried to make computers that could solve puzzles or play games. 1997 got big achievement. A computer called Deep Blue beat the world champion in chess. This showed how smart computers could be. 2000s and beyond. AI everywhere. AI started helping with real-life problems like finding directions, recognizing faces, and even driving cars. Now let's see the application of AI. AI is widely used in robotics, gaming, and healthcare. For examples, AI powers virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. So why AI is important? AI helps us do things faster, better, and sometimes safer. It's like having a super smart helper that can solve tough problems humans can't easily handle. For example, ChatGPT, powered by AI, can answer questions, explain complex topics, help with homework, and even assist in writing stories or solving math problems. It saves time, personalizes learning, and acts as a smart assistant, helping people of all ages in fun and useful ways. AI like this can learn from data, adapt to new tasks, and support us in ways that would take humans much longer to do.